Intensive Maths Clinic. I'm Mohammed Shabiru. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the smart way of dividing decimal by decimal, which will help our kids that find it difficult to manipulate way to divide decimal numbers. Let's consider the example on the board. The first one, this is a decimal number divided by a decimal number, so which is the numerator divided by the denominator. Let's look at this. 16, these two numbers, 16 divided by 4 is what? 4. So we'll count the number of zeros we have from the left hand side of the numerator. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 zeros here. And the number we have at the denominator is 2, which is what? 2. So we subtract it to find the difference from the zeros we have from the numerator and denominator, which is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. That means we have number of 0, 1. So how do we know where we're going to put it? If the zeros in the numerator is more than the denominator, we put our zeros before this, before the number, whole number. So move to the next question. The next question is 16 divided 2, just like what we did here. 16 divided 2 is what? 8. So we have 2 here. 2 is here. Number of zeros. The number of zeros we have here is 3. So the difference in zeros is 2 and 3. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. This number of zeros is not going to come here because this number of zeros we have at the numerator is less than the one we have at the denominator. So our 0 comes here instead of before the whole number. Good. So the next one is what? The third one. The third one will say 130. This is a whole number. We'll deal with the whole number, divided by the whole, not actually a whole number. The value will not divide these two numbers, these numbers and this 1 and 2 will divide each other without using the zeros. So 130 divided 2 is what? 65. So how many zeros do we have here? 2 zeros at the numerator and 3 zeros at the denominator. What is the difference in the zeros we have at the numerator and denominator? 1 0. So the numerator, the 0 in the numerator is greater than this, so the 0 comes here. But if it is vice versa, the 0 comes here. So in that case, this is the result of this. The next one is this divided this. We have 96 here and we have 2. 96 divided 2 is what? 48. We have 48 here. At the numerator, we have 2 zeros, which is here. This one, we have 4 zeros. So difference in the zeros we have here is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Since we have 2 zeros and we are still maintaining the same principle that says that if the zeros in the numerator is greater than this, the 0 comes here. So to move to the next one, we have 32 divided 6, which is 2. How many zeros do we have here? Is 3 zeros at the numerator, and we have 4 zeros at the denominator. What is the difference? The difference, when we subtract this by this is 0. 2 0. 4 minus 2 is 2 0. So this other one, 4 minus this is 1 0. So how do we get this? 16 divided 2 is divide 16 is 32 divided 16 is 2. And this is 2. Difference in 0 is 1. Just like the principle we've maintained, when the numerator, the zeros in the numerator is less than the denominator, we'll put the 0 here. So I think I've shown you the smart way of dividing decimal by decimal. For those of us that find this content interesting, don't hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel on Intensive Maths Clinic and follow me on Facebook, in Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you and God bless you.